Looking for a quick and satisfying meal? Try this one-pot ham and veggie pasta, simple, tasty, and perfect for any night. With just pasta, savory ham, and colorful veggies all cooked in one pot, this dish is as easy as it gets. Start by sautéing diced ham and minced garlic in olive oil until lightly browned and fragrant. Add penne pasta, chicken broth, broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers. Let it simmer until the pasta is cooked and the veggies are tender. In the final minutes, toss in green peas and stir in Parmesan cheese for a creamy, flavorful finish. Top with fresh parsley and serve hot for a one-pot meal that's packed with flavor and color. This dish is ready in 30 minutes, making it perfect for busy weeknights or a cozy weekend dinner. Like and follow for more simple, delicious meals that the whole family will love. Warm, hearty, and rich with flavor, let's make a classic slow-simmer beef stew. You'll need chunks of beef, fresh carrots, potatoes, onions, and a medley of herbs for that home-cooked magic. Start by searing beef cubes in a hot pot until they're golden brown. This locks in deep, meaty flavor. Next, add chopped onions, minced garlic, and fresh thyme. Sauté until aromatic and golden. Pour in rich beef broth, add carrots and potatoes, then cover, and let it simmer low and slow until everything is melt in your mouth tender. Patience is key. Let it simmer for 2-3 hours. The longer it cooks, the richer the flavor. Every spoonful is packed with tender beef, soft veggies, and a broth that's pure comfort. Try this slow simmer beef stew and taste homemade comfort like never before. Like and subscribe for more cozy recipes. Craving something deliciously elegant? Let's make balsamic goat cheese stuffed chicken in minutes. Tender chicken breasts stuffed with creamy goat cheese, fresh herbs, and finished with a sweet balsamic glaze. Start by butterflying your chicken breasts. Fill them with a mix of goat cheese, fresh basil, and a hint of garlic. Secure with toothpicks and sear in a hot skillet with olive oil until golden brown on both sides. Transfer to the oven and roast at 400 to 200 for 15 minutes. Drizzle with a rich balsamic reduction for that perfect tangy, sweet finish. Serve with roasted vegetables or a crisp green salad for a restaurant-quality meal at home. Every bite is juicy, creamy, and packed with irresistible balsamic richness. Save this recipe and impress your next dinner guests. Like and subscribe for more easy gourmet ideas. Rich, hearty, and full of Mediterranean flavor, this is Greek moussaka, and it's love at first bite. You'll need 2 to 3 eggplants, sliced potatoes, ground beef or lamb, onion, garlic, tomato paste, olive oil, cinnamon, oregano, flour, milk, butter, eggs, and cheese for the bechamel sauce. Slice eggplants and potatoes, brush with olive oil, and roast or pan fry until golden. Set aside, they're your base layers. Sauté onion and garlic, then add ground meat, tomato, pasta, cinnamon, and oregano. Simmer until thick and flavorful. In another pan, make a creamy bechamel by whisking butter, flour, and milk, stir in cheese and an egg yolk for richness. Layer potatoes, eggplant, meat sauce, and top with that silky bechamel. Finish with grated cheese for that golden crust. Bake at 375 degrees, 190 degrees for 45-50 minutes until golden and bubbling. Let it rest before slicing. Trust us, it's worth it. Comforting, authentic, and loaded with flavor, this is Greek food at its finest. Comment your favorite Greek dish below. Don't forget to like, follow, and save. Looking for a fresh and healthy dinner? Let's make grilled cod with spinach and juicy tomatoes. You'll need fresh cod fillets, a handful of baby spinach, sweet cherry tomatoes, and a little garlic magic. Season the cod with salt, pepper, a touch of lemon zest, and a drizzle of olive oil for that perfect flavor kick. Grill the cod fillets on medium-high heat for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until they're flaky and lightly charred. Meanwhile, sauté minced garlic in olive oil, add spinach and halved cherry tomatoes. Cook until just wilted and juicy. Top the grilled cod with the sautéed spinach and tomatoes. Finish with a fresh squeeze of lemon for brightness. This dish is light, vibrant, and bursting with fresh Mediterranean flavors. Perfect for a quick, healthy dinner. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple, delicious recipes that make healthy eating a joy. Craving something unique? Let's make grilled salmon steaks with a sweet and tangy blueberry sauce. You'll need fresh salmon steaks, juicy blueberries, garlichoni, and a splash of lemon juice. Season the salmon with salt, pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. Simple, clean flavors are key. Grill the salmon steaks on medium-high heat for about 4 to 5 minutes per side until they're seared and tender. While the salmon grills make the sauce, simmer blueberries with honey lemon juice and a pinch of minced garlic until thick and glossy. Plate your salmon and drizzle generously with the warm blueberry sauce for that perfect sweet savory balance. This dish is light, vibrant, and a total showstopper. Healthy has never tasted this exciting. Give this a try and wow your taste buds. Like and follow for more creative kitchen ideas. Say hello to your new favorite quick dinner salsa chicken. Just a few ingredients, one skillet, and big bold taste. Start with boneless chicken breasts. Season with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a touch of cumin for that smoky depth. Heat olive oil in a pan and sear the chicken on both sides until golden brown. Don't cook it fully just yet, we'll finish it in the salsa. Now pour your favorite chunky salsa right over the chicken. Cover and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until cooked through and juicy. Top with shredded cheese, fresh cilantro, or sliced jalapenos if you're feeling spicy. Let it melt right into that sauce. Serve it over rice, wrap it in tortillas or pair with a fresh salad for a full meal. This salsa chicken is everything fast, flavorful, and family approved. Like, share, and follow for more easy recipes. Try this tonight and thank us later.